Did you even make it in?
I did. It was right there. See, my hand goes right over it, so I don't have to worry about making it in. It just dived. I'm just being walked hard.
It's Elaine. I told her you're drunk off your ass. Poker for me. Oops, I said it out loud. Not even that close. Don't hurt yourself. You did, didn't you?
Bite.
Watch it, your food's right there. Dude, are you okay? That's only Elaine. That was a freaking disaster.